In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Teamspace in Notion. If you're looking to tidy up your workspace or simply want to remove a Teamspace that you no longer need, you're in the right place. Let's walk through this process step by step so you can accomplish it smoothly and quickly. First, you'll need to navigate to your connected workspace. Open your web browser and go to the Notion website. If you haven't already bookmarked this, it's always a good idea to do so for easy access in the future. Once on the site, look toward the top right corner of your screen and click on Log In. Go ahead and enter your credentials. If you've set up Google or Apple login, feel free to use those options to speed things up. Once logged in, you'll be brought to your Notion home. This is the hub of all your projects and the perfect spot to access everything you need, including Teamspaces. Take a moment to scan the page and ensure everything is where you left it or organized to your liking. This familiarity will make the next steps even easier. Now, find and click on Settings from the side panel. The Settings area is where you can manage your account details, preferences, and crucially, your Teamspaces. If you haven't ventured into settings before, this is a great time to explore. But for now, let's stay on task and proceed to the next step. Within Settings, look for the Teamspaces section. Clicking on this will reveal all the Teamspaces you're a part of. This might be collaborative workspaces or just areas created for specific projects. Note the layout and ensure you double-check the name of the Teamspace you wish to delete so there are no accidents. To delete the Teamspace, locate the three-dot icon next to the Teamspace you intend to remove. Clicking here will provide a drop-down menu of options. These three dots are famously known as the secret gateway to a myriad of commands and are incredibly handy when managing your Notion content. Lastly, when the drop-down menu appears, you'll see an option that either says Archive or Leave. Click on that and you'll either archive the Teamspace, hiding it from your view while keeping the data safe, or leave it entirely, which effectively removes your access to it. If you are the sole member or owner of this Teamspace, choosing to leave may also archive it. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've managed to delete, archive, or leave a Teamspace in Notion, streamlining your workspace for better productivity. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Feel free to check out more of our tutorials for all your Notion needs.